Are you still looking at me? Why you looking at me? Why you still looking at me?
Okay, welcome guys. So as I told you in the last video, we are going to make a simple house, and in the last video we have learned the tools. What are the tools? So on based of those tools only we're going to make a basic house, and we'll try different colors and materials. So first we have to make a box using a rectangle tool. Step 1 is create a box using the rectangle tool and our favorite push and pull tool. Okay, so friends, I want to tell you something. The all-in-one channel has already subscribed my channel in the first, so I have subscribed and press the notification bar. And second is our second also has been done. Okay, so I will tell you. No, second has not been done, so we are trying for second and third. So please subscribe my channel, and even I will subscribe your channel. Okay, so next the second step is we have to draw a line. The second step is draw a line on the roof between the midpoints to divide it into two halves as shown. Okay, so now use the move tool on this line, pulling it up in the blue direction to make the roof. Okay, like this. Done. So we have to add a rectangle. Here as the door. Like this. Okay. So next is, as I told you, I have to make an arc here. Okay. We have to select the points and we have to lift it. Done. So afterwards we have to choose the eraser tool and we have to erase this line. Okay. Now we have to right click the door face and I have to choose erase. Okay, so now we have got it, so you can see inside. Okay, now next step is you can see that your house is ready. Okay, to make a window, what we have to do is I have to draw a rectangle here and I have to draw like this. Now we got a window. So we'll do it same here also. So we have done with the windows. Okay. So what next we have to do is I have to click on the paint bucket tool and a material window will open here. So I think you're not getting the material window because what I'm using the screen recorder is not perfect yet. So if you're not getting, you will get it. So I have to go to a materials toolbar and then select here roofing. There will be this option roofing, you can get it. So in next video I'm sure I'll show everything, so you'll get roofing. and then I have to select any roof here. I'm selecting this one. Just put it here like this. That's it. Yeah, I'm done with the roof. Now we'll set bricks and cladding for this one. So we'll put this one here. It's it's done. Now we'll go to translucent. Sorry. Now we'll go to translucent and choose this. Okay. For windows, we'll put the glasses. Okay, done. Now what we'll do is uh, now we have done with the house. Okay, now we have to put the door, right? Yes, we have to put the door. I think we'll put paint out inside also. Yes, sure. Okay, we'll put this. Yeah, okay. So colors, we'll put some of this color. So done. We have put the colors inside also. So we'll do a circle tool, and so we're done with the house. Okay, so we're done with the basic house here. I'm sorry there's sound disturbance here because here in Mumbai it's Ganpati festival, right? So they're putting songs near my house. The Lal Boj Ka Raja. I don't know. So next is we can add this one, right? Yeah, wood. And what we'll select is, yeah, okay, cherry wood. Okay, this one. Okay, I think we've done something wrong. Okay, what we'll do is we will. What we'll do is we'll put the this one. Okay, now we've got it. So now we'll put this and a circle here. We have to put this in the center. Now it's in the perfect center. Okay. Now again go for translucent. Choose this. So now you can see the styles and all. So we have done with the basic house. Now we'll put the component. No, we'll next try in the next session, next video. We will try about these components. Okay, it's an interesting one. Components and components is like they're ready-made. Components are pre-built models that can be reused within SketchUp models and scenes. Pre-built components are available from the component browser. You can get it in Windows component browser. Any model created by you can be stored as a component The components menu item displays the components browser used for the managing the components. There are various ready-made components present in the components browser which can be used in our models. Okay, for example, in the following model you can see the components such as bench, sang, fence, etc. So, and you can put this colors. Okay, now we are completely done with our basic house. No, one is left. We'll put a 3D model, 3D text as our tech quick. Okay. Okay, now this is a big one, right? We can do it with the scale tool. So just reduce this. Still we can reduce it. So, okay, take quick. And now center. Okay. Now it's done. You can even put colors to this like this. But we will put this dark orange. Okay. So we are done with our basic house, right? So now you also try in your computer and make a house on your own, and you can share it in the Google Earth, and even you can upload it to Google Earth. Okay, you will get this option here, preview model in Google Earth. Okay, so again, thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel Tech Quick, and I will make more interesting videos. And this is our Tech Quick Center. We are going inside. Wow, we came inside. Okay, we are not able to go. It is, the door is locked. Oh my god, I did not put the key. So I have a shortcut method. I'll use the orbit pull. I came inside. So this is our Tech Quick Center. Wow, this is a window, and you will see here. Wow, it's nice, guys. So again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel Tech Quick. So, oh my god, you can see the. Okay, that's it. No, okay, nothing, guys. Just speaking. Okay, so thank you for watching, and we'll meet again in the next video with making of a modern house. Okay, thank you and goodbye.